In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create AI-generated art with Canva. This is a really exciting feature that allows you to bring your creative visions to life with the help of artificial intelligence. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to begin by heading over to your Canva project. If you haven't already, log into your Canva account and open up the project where you want to create your AI-generated art. Canva's interface is quite user-friendly, so you should be able to navigate easily to your project dashboard. Once you're there, you'll notice a menu bar on the left side of the screen. This is where you'll find a variety of tools and options to enhance your design. Now, find the Elements tab in this left-hand menu. Go ahead and click on it. This section is essentially a treasure trove of design resources. Here you have access to thousands of images, graphics, and other elements that you can incorporate into your design. But for the purpose of creating AI-generated art, we're going to focus on utilizing the AI feature itself. In the search bar located at the top of the Elements section, type in the image or element you're envisioning. This could be anything from a specific style of art to a particular object you want to include. The key here is to be as descriptive as possible, as this will help the AI understand exactly what kind of art you're looking to generate. Once you've entered your search terms, you'll see a variety of options appear. These are generated based on your input and can range from simple graphics to more complex illustrations. Now, this is where the magic happens. Look for the Generate button, which should appear after you've made your selection. Click on it, and Canva's AI will get to work creating your art. The process of generating AI art can take a few moments, so feel free to sit back and relax while the AI does its thing. Once it's done, you'll have a unique piece of art that you can add to your project. It's a great way to add a distinctive touch to your designs, whether you're creating a social media post, a presentation, or any other type of visual content. And there you have it. With just a few simple steps, you've learned how to use Canva to create stunning AI-generated art. Remember, the possibilities are endless, so don't hesitate to experiment with different ideas and styles. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.